Minnesota Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 5.
Question 1. Which of the following is true about braking?
The front brake is controlled by a foot lever. The rear brake has most of the braking power. Stop quickly by using both brakes. The rear brake should only be used to slow down.
Answer.
Stop quickly by using both brakes.
Question 2. Maintaining or increasing your speed while making a turn.
Should never occur. Is safer because you complete the turn quickly. Helps stabilize the motorcycle. Should only occur when passing others.
Answer.
Helps stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 3. Before changing lanes on a multi-lane road, you should check
the lane next to you only. The lane next to you and the far lane. Your signal light. The far lane.
Answer.
The lane next to you and the far lane.
Question 4. Pavement is likely to be slippery
in rural areas. On a windy day. Soon after it has started to rain. On multi-lane roads.
Answer.
Soon after it has started to rain.
Question 5. The best protection from other vehicles is
using your high beam. Choosing the right helmet. Maintaining a space cushion. Wearing protective clothing.
Answer.
Maintaining a space cushion.
Question 6. Riding a motorcycle that's the right size for you means
the seat is waist height. You can reach the hand grips. Both feet reach the ground while seated. Your height and weight have been taken into account.
Answer.
Both feet reach the ground while seated.
Question 7. If your motorcycle is equipped with a windshield,
a helmet is not required. You must wear goggles or face protection. You may wear glasses instead of a face shield. You are not required to wear eye protection.
Answer.
You must wear goggles or face protection.
Question 8. All of the following affect your blood alcohol concentration except
time of day, your weight, how fast you drink, the amount of alcohol.
Answer.
Time of day.
Question 9. Riding between lanes of traffic is
prohibited at all times. Allowed is designated areas. Permitted only when traffic is not moving. Prohibited at night.
Answer.
Prohibited at all times.
Question 10. Start your motorcycle with your right wrist
locked, flat, down, up.
Answer.
Flat.
Question 11. If you experience a weaving feeling while riding over metal grating, what should you do?
Decrease your speed. Grip the handlebars tightly to stop the feeling. Relax and maintain speed. Increase your speed.
Answer.
Relax and maintain speed.
Question 12. A motorcycle rider must maintain a minimum safe following distance of behind the vehicle ahead.
1 second. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. 3 seconds.
Answer.
2 seconds.
Question 13. When slowing down, which brake should you use?
Front or rear brakes? Front brake only. Rear brake only. Both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
Both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Question 14. Most of your motorcycle's stopping power is provided by
the front brake. By the front and rear brake equally. The rear brake. The clutch.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 15. If a dog begins to chase you while you are riding, you should
approach the animal and speed away. Stop until the owner is found. Call animal protection. Kick the dog.
Answer.
Approach the animal and speed away.
Question 16. Signal lights on a motorcycle should be used
only if you may not be seen by other vehicles. Every time you plan to turn or change lanes. In cities, but not rural areas. As long as other cars are around.
Answer.
Every time you plan to turn or change lanes.
Question 17. When you see a car on an entrance ramp is about to merge into your lane, the best course of action is to
come to a complete stop. Beep your horn. Flash your brake light. Change lanes.
Answer.
Change lanes.
Question 18. Which of the following surface provides poor traction for motorcycles?
All these answers are correct. Wet pavement. Lane markings. Gravel roads.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 19. When driving beside parked cars, why is it important to maintain a left lane position?
You may avoid problems from doors opening. Motorcycles should always ride in the left lane position. The center lane position is too slippery. You are more likely to hit a car in the right lane position.
Answer.
You may avoid problems from doors opening.
Question 20. Which of the following can affect your ability to ride a motorcycle?
All these answers are correct. Over-the-counter medication. Prescription medication. Alcohol and drugs.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 21. Riding between rows of stopped vehicles is
not permitted when riding in a group. Permitted during heavy traffic. Permitted only in designated areas. Never permitted.
Answer.
Never permitted.
Question 22. If you are about to collide with an object and you wish to get the motorcycle to lean quickly to the right, you should
pull the left handle grip towards you. Push the inside of the right handle grip. Push the inside of the left handle grip. Pull the right handle grip towards you.
Answer.
Push the inside of the right handle grip.
Question 23. The best way to deal with a tailgater is to
beep your horn. Speed up to match their speed. Slow down. Allow them to pass you.
Answer.
Allow them to pass you.
Question 24. The motorcycle and rider should lean at the same angle when in
normal turns. Quick, sharp turns. All these answers are correct. Slow, tight turns.
Answer.
Normal turns.
Question 25. It can be dangerous to ride alongside cars because
your visibility will be reduced. You may be riding in their blind spot. It makes it more difficult to operate your motorcycle. You will be distracted by what is happening in the vehicle.
Answer.
You may be riding in their blind spot.
Question 26. The best way to carry cargo on a motorcycle is to
distribute the load evenly. Secure the load with elastic cords. Keep the load forward. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 27. The fastest way to stop is to
pull the kill engine switch. Apply both brakes firmly. Apply the front brake quickly. Use the rear brake only.
Answer.
Apply both brakes firmly.
Question 28. When driving behind a car, which lane position will keep you most visible to the driver?
Any lane position. The right. The left. The center.
Answer.
The center.
Question 29. Which of the following is the best way to secure cargo?
Middle chain. Cable ties. Elastic cords. Nylon rope.
Answer.
Elastic cords.
Question 30. You can help other vehicles notice that you are slowing down by
using signal lights. Flashing your brake light. Honking your horn. Swerving from left to right.
Answer.
Flashing your brake light.
Question 31. When following other motorcycles, What should be the minimum space cushion?
2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 3 seconds.
Answer:
2 seconds.
Question 32. When it starts to rain, what lane position can be hazardous?
The left and right. The left. The right and center. The center.
Answer:
The center.
Question 33. In order to have a passenger on your motorcycle, you must have
High quality shocks. A windshield. Footrests for the passenger. Side saddlebags.
Answer:
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 34. Proper riding posture means your
Knees are against the gas tank. Arms are slightly bent. Feet are firmly on the footrests. All these answers are correct.
Answer:
All these answers are correct.
Question 35. How does carrying a passenger change your motorcycle?
They help balance the motorcycle. Passengers make the motorcycle go faster. The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes. Slowing down will be faster.
Answer:
The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes.
Question 36. In addition to downshifting when you slow or stop, you should also downshift
While riding on a multi-lane road. When you need more power to accelerate. Whenever you pull in the clutch. When you are descending a hill.
Answer:
When you need more power to accelerate.
Question 37. If both braking and swerving are required to avoid hitting an object, in which order should you brake and swerve?
Brake before or after swerving. You can only brake before swerving, never after. Swerve while braking. Brake while swerving.
Answer:
Brake before or after swerving.
Question 38. A safe following distance means leaving a space cushion of at least seconds.
4, 2, 3, 1.
Answer:
2.
Question 39. If your front tire fails while riding, you should ease off the throttle and
Pull the kill engine switch and roll to a stop. Use the rear brake and move to the side of the road. Use the front brake and move to the side of the road. Use both brakes and stop on the shoulder of the road.
Answer:
Use the rear brake and move to the side of the road.
Question 40. When you cross railroad tracks, you should ride your motorcycle within your lane to cross the tracks.
At a 10-degree angle. At a 20-degree angle. Straight. By leaning into a side.
Answer:
Straight.
Question 41. One rule of riding in a group is,
Don't tailgate. Check your mirrors frequently. Maintain a staggered formation. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 42. The best way to be seen by other drivers is to
only ride during the day. Ride in the left lane position. Make sure your headlight is turned on. Wear a bright helmet.
Answer.
Make sure your headlight is turned on.
Question 43. The front brake
provides 75% of the braking power. Is controlled by a foot pedal. Should only be used in emergency situations. Provides 25% of the braking power.
Answer.
Provides 75% of the braking power.
Question 44. You should use both front and rear brakes to stop.
At all times. In emergencies only. On hills and curves. You should never use both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 45. The X-marked RR sign warns that
you are approaching a construction zone. You are approaching an intersection. You are approaching a dead end. You are approaching a railway crossing.
Answer.
You are approaching a railway crossing.
Question 46. The gearshift lever is located
by the left-hand grip. By the right-hand grip. In front of the left footrest. In front of the right footrest.
Answer.
In front of the left footrest.
Question 47. Which of the following is a hazard associated with passing a row of parked cars?
A door could be opened into your path. A driver may pull out in front of you. People stepping out from between cars. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 48. Drivers in other vehicles present a particular hazard when
you are passing a row of parked cars. You are making a right turn. You are parking your vehicle. You are driving through a school zone.
Answer.
You are passing a row of parked cars.
Question 49. Can affect your ability to ride a motorcycle.
Alcohol. Illegal drugs. Prescription medication. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 50. When making turns on the road, a motorcycle rider must, before entering a turn,
not change gears. Change gears. Use the front brake. Lean her body at a 45-degree angle.
Answer.
Change gears. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.